Hello and welcome to another edition of Tech Tips. This is Byron and let's talk about best practices for shop drawings. So I've got two panels here, panel 1, panel 2. They're exactly the same in every way. Same walls, same opening, same template. Nothing changes. The only thing different, one is panel 1, one is panel 2. And I already created some shop drawings, but let's say things have changed and those are no longer relevant to us. So first mistake I am making is not deleting those shop drawings. If they're deleted, probably it's going to avoid any sort of mistakes. But I'm keeping them. And I am going to do some shop drawings right now. So first thing, I'm going to choose the same options too for both these panels. So you're going to see exactly the same. I'm going to generate shop drawings for panel 1, and we can see it's overwriting all the old views and placing new ones. And I really want to take a look at our elevation framing. Alright, so taking a look here, everything looks alright. I'm going to take a screen capture. Let's keep in mind, this is panel 1, elevation, alright? I'll toss that over my other monitor. Let's go back to our project. And let's say, oh, I need to do a beam on the top of this wall here. And I haven't done it yet, so I figure I guess I'll do that right now. And that makes sense. So let's just go set our work plane to being the top of that wall there, that slope. Easiest way to do a beam, right? And we'll go ahead and we'll place our beam on the top of that panel. And we'll imagine that this is an I-beam. I don't actually have the family loaded in, so we'll have to be creative here. And we'll say, okay, looks good, it's great, it's fine. Now let's go to panel 2. Let's do our shop drawing. Exactly the same dimensions, same scenario. And let's see what the results will be. I bet a lot of you are thinking something's going to be off with our elevation framing here. But it's not. Looks good. Everything is the same, matching up exactly to panel 1 here. So we look like we're okay, right? Let's just double check panel 1 here and whoa, what's this? So it looks like we are missing some dimensions. I didn't touch panel 1 after it was drawn. The sheet should be the same, but it's not. So what happened? The work plane. I just changed the work plane and I didn't create new sheets. Had I done either of those things, had I not done a new work plane, or had I just not overwritten sheets that had existing views, we wouldn't have this issue right now. So what can we take away from this? Well, firstly, let's make sure that if we're doing our shop drawings that we're really done with our project, because I understand sometimes things will come up where, you know, we need to go back and do a revision. But let's try to keep that to a very minimum, because if I didn't have to place that beam, if I didn't have to change my work plane, we wouldn't be having an issue right now. Second takeaway, delete existing views of sheets if you have to redo the sheet. If we do that, again, no problems, everything will be alright. Lastly, work plane. I mean, it's not obvious, it's not that apparent that a change to our work plane could have a trickle-down effect on our shop drawings, but we could see that there's a lot of indirect, or what would look like an indirect change, all of a sudden has an impact on our shop drawings. So let's be careful. Again, if we keep in mind, save our shop drawings to the very end, we wouldn't be playing with work planes, and we wouldn't be having any issues. I hope you enjoyed it. This was Byron. Take care. Until next week. Bye now.